Now I know you guys hate playing that B, that lonely, lonely B chord. But luckily we're not going to be barring today, because barring, that's difficult. That's difficult for beginners anyway. Once you get the hang of it, it could be a little bit easier for you. But hey, listen, if barring is something that comes easy, well, good for you. Today we're going to be doing the B7 chord, which sounds like this. I want you to remember how that sounded, right? The B. In my opinion, the bar sounded a little bit better, but there are times when B7 does come into play depending on what you're playing, no pun intended. It does sound pretty good, but how do you do it? First finger, okay, it's going to be right here on the third string, second, or I should say first fret. Second finger, the middle finger, is going to be right below, okay, that's the second fret, of course. Third finger here, kind of in the middle. You got this string right here in the middle, but that's going to be your first finger that we just put on there, right? And then the middle, the pinky is going to be right on the bottom string, so that's on the fourth string. You can kind of make out what that is. So all together. Now changing to this chord can be very difficult, but you know, look, if you're going to practice this one, then practice obviously makes perfect. Again, right here. Okay. So you can see that. Now we talked about the C7, we talked about the A7, we talked about the A7. A7 is probably the easiest one. This is going to be the toughest one. B7, okay. It sounds really nice. It looks pretty simple, but you really got to get the hang of it. Changing to that chord from the G, then to the B7. It's going to take some time, it's going to take some effort, but you'll get there. So remember to leave a like and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. We're going to be doing more about these chords and other chords as well. See the add nines, major sevens, a lot of stuff coming to you on this channel. So remember to leave a like and also subscribe for that.